Hey, I'm Ryan, and welcome to Ryan Invests, where we dive into money psychology, personal finance, and investing so you can actually build real financial freedom over time. If you want to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Today, we're talking about something legendary investor Charlie Munger once said. The first $100,000 is the hardest, not the first million. Not the second million, the first $100,000. And he wasn't alone. Many wealthy people say that once they cross their first 100K, the next 100K comes faster, then 300K, 500K, and eventually a million. At first, money moves painfully slow. Then suddenly, it accelerates. So why does this happen? Why does building wealth feel impossible at first, but easier later? We're breaking down the psychology, math, and strategy behind it, and how you can reach your first 100K faster. One of the biggest obstacles people face is simply getting started. Investing always feels like something I'll do later. You tell yourself, I'll start investing when I make more money. I'll save after I pay off a few bills. I'll do it next year. But next year turns into 5 years, and 5 years into 10. Saying you'll invest when you have money is like saying you'll start a fire once it's already warm. You don't invest because you have money. You invest to create money. Another reason people avoid investing is fear. They've heard stories about market crashes, losing savings, or bad stock picks, so instead of learning, they avoid it completely. But here's the thing, doing nothing is also risky. Inflation slowly eats away at your savings. Your income struggles to keep up with rising costs. Time, your most powerful wealth tool, keeps moving forward. The hardest part isn't math, it's behavior. Starting feels uncomfortable because the finish line feels far away. When your portfolio is small, progress feels invisible. Save $1,000, nothing changes. Invest $5,000, still nothing exciting. Motivation stays low. Reaching your first 100K requires heavy personal effort. Early on, almost all your money comes from your own work. Your savings matter more than your investment returns. Invest $5,000 at 10%, $500 gain, barely noticeable. Invest $100,000 at 10%, $10,000 gain, that's meaningful. Invest $1 million at 10%, $100,000 gain, that's life-changing. The percentage is the same, but the dollar growth explodes. Early wealth building feels slow because you're pushing a snowball uphill. Every dollar feels like effort, every contribution is sacrifice. But once the snowball grows, gravity starts helping you. Compound interest is not linear, it's exponential. At first, growth looks boring, then suddenly it gets exciting. Around 100K, you start seeing real movement. Your investments generate noticeable money without your direct labor. Your mindset changes from how much can I spend to how much can I invest. Suddenly, a $100 dinner doesn't feel harmless. You realize that $100 invested today could grow for decades. Momentum creates motivation, and compounding starts working for you, not against you.
Hitting 100K shifts your identity. You stop seeing yourself as someone struggling financially. You start seeing yourself as an investor. This changes your decisions. You can take better career opportunities because you have a safety buffer. You can take calculated risks. You can invest in yourself, your skills, or even a business. Someone living paycheck to paycheck doesn't have these options. Money gives optionality, not luxury. You also gain emotional stability. Small emergencies no longer feel catastrophic. Wealth compounds, not just financially, but psychologically. But there's a trap. When people hit 100K, they sometimes become overconfident. They spend too fast, inflate their lifestyle, assume they're financially safe forever. 100K is momentum, not financial freedom. Protecting your habits is critical. Your discipline got you here. Losing it slows everything down. If you're still working toward your first 100K, here's how to accelerate. Increase income, side work, freelancing, skills, promotions. Early on, income growth matters more than tiny investment tweaks. Automate saving, pay yourself first, remove temptation. Control lifestyle inflation. Avoid expensive cars, debt, and impulse spending. Stay consistent. Consistency beats perfection. Learn investing slowly. Don't chase hype. Build long-term habits. The goal is momentum, not perfection. Charlie Munger was right. The first $100,000 is the hardest because you're building habits, discipline, and identity. Once you cross it, money starts working with you instead of against you. If you're struggling, you're not behind. You're laying the foundation, and foundations take time. Comment below, how close are you to your first 100K? If this video helped, hit like. Subscribe to Ryan Invests for more money psychology and investing tips.